Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Here we are in Lake Mary picking up a dumpster this morning. Just got to take it over to the dump this, and then we have one more job. It's a beautiful day out here as normal. Here we are at the dump. The bulldozers are working. And here's a shot of the next job. It's interesting here. They actually lit a bonfire where I had to back the trailer up. Please, guys, don't light bonfires where we got to back the trailer up. So I had to shovel some of it out of the way just so I could get the trailer in there to pick up that dumpster. This job was in a remote area somewhere in Eustis. Very nice people. We were very happy with that we were able to help them. Without further ado, here's what we do for our batteries in our dumpster business. Now, the winch uses a lot of battery power pulling the dumpsters up and down. And we typically run through a battery in 2 to 3 days, depending on how many times we're going up and down. So we need a way to charge the battery in between those times. So what we do is we have 2 batteries, and we've purchased a battery charger. And I'll probably try to get a link for it and put it in the bio. We got it off Amazon, and we charge the battery every day or so, every other day or so to keep it fully charged. You'll know that the battery is going dead because the winch would start to sound like it's really struggling to pull the dumpster up. If it's a heavy dumpster, it's gonna be a little bit harder, but you would kind of hear it that the battery is going dead. So you know that you gotta go in there and get that sorted out. There's a solar battery charger that comes with it. It doesn't really work that well. All in all, another great day doing dumpsters in Central Florida. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay with us for more videos on running a dumpster